You may have a large form where every field is not appropriate for everyone. Also, that seems painful. Converting those forms into short and dynamic will provide a nice impression to your users. And conditional logic is what can make your forms dynamic. I already have created a simple job application form using Forminix form builder for WordPress and placed the form into one of my pages. Here you can see this field is only for people who are applying for the post of front-end developer, and this field is for the people applying as back-end developer. Let's solve this first. Go to the settings of your form and navigate to Conditional Logic tab. Click the Create First Condition button. My first condition is if the value of applying for the post is equal to front-end developer. Then display the field to choose front-end languages or library. And my second condition is if the value of applying for the post is equal to back-end developer. Then display the field to choose back-end languages or framework. Just for your information, you can target on multiple field values at a time to display a single field. Let's save settings and check the changes we just made to our form. Alright, things are working as expected. Our second issue is, if the user wants us to contact via email, then display the email field, otherwise display the LinkedIn profile URL field. Let's quickly create these conditions same as before. Saving the settings again, and let's have a final look to our forms. Great, everything is working as expected, and you have learned how to use conditional logics to create short and dynamic forms using Forminix.